Hello farmers, and welcome back to my channel. This is a place for farm owners, farm lovers, agripreneurs looking for ways to make profit from their farm and also thinking of starting up an agribusiness. And today I'm back with another agribusiness series for the channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can start honey business in 2021. This business is one of the easiest business to start. Will I say easiest? Very easy business to start. So you don't need to own a beehive before you can start honey business. You don't even need it. So it's one of the easiest business you can start in 2021. How do you get started? This is what I'll be discussing in today's video. So if you're excited just as I am, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Honey requires little fun to start. So honey business requires little fun. You can start as you are. As a student, this video is for students. Looking for which agribusiness can I start with 10 naira. This business is part of the business you can start with little capital, and you can start just as you are. You can decide to start with 5-liter gallon, you can start with 10-liter, you can start with 20-liter, just as you are. So you don't have any reason to be idle, you don't have any reason to be unemployed. Do you understand that? Okay, so it's one of the easiest business to start, and you can start it with little capital. When I say little capital, honey price might differ in your location. So the price that your capital can carry is what you should go for. Okay, so you can start with 50,000 naira, you can start with 100,000 naira, we can even start with 3 million naira, just as your capital and as your budget is. That is how you can start honey business. And the very good thing about honey, unlike palm oil, is there is no need for special preservation. If you are getting original honey, they can last for many years. You don't need preservative at all. It's not that don't let it touch the wall, like I said in palm oil business. Don't put it, no. Just store honey. Once you get it in your gallon, look for a cool, dry place and store it. You are good to go. There's no special risk involved at all, just like charcoal business that we mentioned in our previous video. So if you've not seen the video on charcoal business, make sure you check it out. Okay, also you can become a wholesaler, you can become a retailer, you can become a final consumer, but in this video we are talking about wholesaler and retailer. So you can decide to start getting in bulk from beekeepers, you can decide to get from people that sells in bulk, then you sell to retailer. Then as a retailer, you can brand it, package it in different bottles and sell to final consumers. Okay, so it's not compulsory you manufacture. You can decide to sell as a wholesaler, supply to people in bulk, in gallon, or you can decide to sell as a retailer. Also, if you're thinking of starting honey business, it's important you get your honey during rainy season, because it's always cheaper during rainy season. Why? Our biology. Bees tend to multiply, pollinate different flowers, they get food to eat during the rainy season compared to the dry season. So we have honey surplus during the rainy season than in dry season. So if you're thinking of starting up honey business, all you need to do is get them during the rainy season, store, then during the dry season you start selling. I haven't said all this. Where can we source for good honey, quality honey? Adamawa, Taraba. I know that of Taraba because my cousin gets from Taraba. Yes, she gets honey from Taraba, and it's quality honey, good honey. So you can get from Adamawa, you can get from Taraba, you can get from Benue. Also, you can get from beekeepers around. That's the best source. Once you get a direct source, beekeepers. I have beekeepers friends that are into beekeeping. They are producing honey. So you can source from beekeepers, or you can source from these states that I mentioned. Adamawa, Taraba, Benue. I think a place in Enugu too. They have honey there, good and quality honey. So you can source from these places that I just mentioned. Okay, so after knowing how to start, how to source, how can we sell our honey? See, one thing about this our agribusiness series is you need to know how to market your products. You need to know how to market yourself. You need to know how to put yourself out, because you are selling a commodity. You won't eat that commodity, Abby, will you? So you need to put yourself out. How can you sell? Your social media. Upload it on your social media. I have a friend that is doing it. You guys will know him very well. He will just upload it on his social media platform, and people will start reaching out to him. So you can do that as well. Start uploading on your social media. I have honey for sale. This liter is this amount. This liter is this amount. Also, by the word of mouth, you meet your neighbor. People are becoming health conscious these days, so they are careful of their intake. Most people are cutting down on sugar, carbs, and the rest. So this is the right time you should advertise your honey to them. Also, you can upload your products on the FANN app. That is where the market is booming right now. If you want to connect with buyers instantly, upload your products on the FANN app and buyers will start to reach out to you. It's as easy as that. Just download the app, available on Google Play Store, sign up, upload your products, and that's it. So these are ways that you can market your product. But before we end this video, I want to quickly state out something that people tend to confuse. They say once one honey is black, it is fake. Once one honey is brown, it is fake, or like that. See, the way they are being processed is what differs. Black honey is original honey, brown honey is original honey. The Cameroon honey that everybody know that is black is original honey, and the Adamawa honey that we know that is golden brown is still original honey. What differs is the way they process it, the way it is being extracted. Do you understand? That of the Cameroon is being extracted with fire. So once they chase the bees, they will use fire to melt it. That is why it's always black. Why Adamawa honey is brown or golden brown? Because they just remove it from the beehive and they extract it. That is why it's golden brown. So a black honey and a brown honey does not mean that one is fake and one is original. They are both original honey. Also, we tend to see watery honey. People see honey that is watery, they will say, okay, this one is fake. No, not all watery honey that is fake. Do you understand? Some are watery because during the rainy season, when they extract the honey, it might have absorbed water. Do you understand? So that is why they are always watery. It's not that one is fake and one is original. Also, there are fake honeys out there because some people tend to mix sugar syrup and that to make honey. There are ways that you can know original honey. The one I know very well is the one that will say your matching stick inside the honey and strike, that it will strike. Okay, I hope you got value. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section concerning how you can start honey business and the rest. So if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you once I get it. Okay, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you in my next video.